Well, boss, what's happening?
Hi Guy, okay, so we're here at Morris Lubricants in Shrewsbury in the QC lab, okay, and I want to show you this piece of critical kit. This is a HTHS, or high temperature, high shear piece of analytical equipment, okay. So high temperature, high shear is measuring the oil film thickness at the running temperature of the engine.
Go on.
When it's under operation.
Go on.
Specifically, the oil film generated between the journal and the bearing.
Okay.
So you're actually looking at that oil film generated between those two moving surfaces.
Right.
It's also demonstrating the oil film which is generated between the edge of the compression ring and the liner.
Right.
Now with new
What, to test it to see if it's going to break down?
Well, to make sure that it's actually thin enough to provide you the best fuel efficiency and energy savings.
Right, okay.
So all the oils, as you know, are getting thinner to give you best fuel efficiency as possible from those engines. So the oil films have to be thinner.
Yeah.
Because if you've got a thick oil film, the engine itself has got to work against that to push it around. So you're losing
loads more
energy.
drag.
Yeah, you've got drag, you've got viscous drag on all the different components. So the thinner that oil is, the much better it is in terms of energy release, so you become more fuel efficient. So this is measuring that oil film thickness right down at those very, very low levels in order to accomplish that. So this has now become a critical test in terms of fuel efficient engine oils.
Go on.
And so all these fuel efficient products we're now producing have to jump through this particular hoop.
And how's this work?
Okay, so essentially you've got a block there.
What's this got to do with that?
Okay, so this is monitoring what's going on inside here.
Right.
And what you've got in here is, you take this to 150 degrees centigrade, so the oil is heated to 150 degrees centigrade, and you are then applying shear to it. You're actually turning, it's almost like a blade inside that oil, and you're measuring the resistance to that turning.
150 degrees.
150 degrees
right,
centigrade.
Okay, yeah.
And that is translated into oil film thickness. Okay, so that's why we have the computer on board here and this piece of equipment. So with that figure, we know whether that engine oil is going to be meeting those HTHS requirements for that particular specification. But this is critical to making sure that we are getting the most fuel efficiency out of one of these modern engines.
Okay.
And at Morris Lubricants, this is where a lot of our investment is in ensuring that we have the correct analytical equipment to carry out these critical industry tests.